Welcome. So we're going to answer this question before us. Let's give it a read. It says, an online shopping site sells boxes of donuts. A box contains 20 donuts. There are only 4 types of donuts in the box. They are glazed with custard, glazed with no custard, not glazed with custard, not glazed with no custard. It is known that in the box, half the donuts are with custard, 7 on 10 of the donuts are not glazed, 1 on 10 of the donuts are glazed with custard. Then for part A, what it wants us to do is a donut is chosen at random from the box. Find the probability that it is not glazed. So it is not glazed with custard. Okay, let's pause for a moment. The trickiest part of approaching any probability question is knowing which technique to use. And, are you going to use a tree diagram? Are you going to use a probability table? You need to make these determinations. And in this example here, just by reading the question, hopefully it's evident that what you want to use is a probability table. That's going to be able to get you the answer as quick as possible. The reason why you can kind of tell this straight away is the fact that we have like glazed and not glazed. We have custard or not custard. We're also being told amounts of things. And when you've been told amounts of things, it's very helpful to use a probability table. Because here you're told like there are 20 donuts. So that means I can put a 20 there. Then we're told half of this 20 are donuts with custard. So that means I would come to the custard, come over here and put 10 there. 7 on 10 of the donuts are not glazed. Okay, so are not glazed, so that's G dash over here. 7 on 10 of 20 will be 14. The way that I'm thinking about this is 7 on 10 is simply the same as 14 on 20. So that means 14 out of the 20 are not glazed. And then 1 on 10 of the donuts are glazed with custard. So are glazed with custard, that would be C intersection of G, right? That's going to be right here. It's going to be this point right here. And if it's 1 on 10, that's going to be 2. Because remember, 1 on 10 is the same as 2 on 20. Okay, once we've done that now, the next thing that we want to do is just like fill in the unknowns. And we can do this pretty quickly. This will be 8. This will be 6. This will be 10. This will be 4. This will be 6. Now, when it asks us to find the probability that something is not glazed with custard, what that is saying is what's the probability that it's not glazed, so G dash intersection C. So now we come up here and we're going to find, let me grab a highlighter, G dash C will be 8 on 20. We come over here and we go 8 on 20. We can divide both of these by 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So my answer will be 2/5. And that's how we do the first part of this question. So it will be 2/5 right there. Okay, let's pause for a second and then go on to our next part.